Hi guys, my name's Michaela. Today we'll be going over a few basic isolations and concepts which can be used for a flourish or an added little flair in your tricks, in your flow and your routine. The isolations we'll be covering today include vertical linear isolations, which will be straight up and down the center, horizontal linear isolations, diagonal, and my favorite, a figure 8. So the basic concept of isolations with fans or with similar to many other props is that one part of the prop is essentially staying still while the rest would rotate around. Similarly with linear isolations, we're keeping the handles of the fans essentially in the same position while rotating the fans around them. And with the linear isolations, I do tend to slide along with them just to exaggerate the movements and add a little bit of emphasis onto the shapes that they create. What we want to be doing with our linear isolations is trying to imagine that one point of our wicks or our fans are glued together at all times. So as you can see, they're meeting in front of me in the center as I'm traveling up and down this vertical line in front of my body. Similarly with a horizontal, we can try to keep the fans glued as much as possible in front of our body, just to create that sort of illusion effect. The figure 8 linear isolation or traveling isolation builds on our diagonal isolations, and it works with what we would call a W formation with our fans, where you can see that they create a W with the shape of the wicks or the furthest points. I prefer to start with my hands facing downwards and my palms toward me, and I would start usually out to the corner. I prefer my right side. From here, we'll be doing a diagonal linear isolation from our bottom corner up to our top. If you imagined a circle or a square around me, we're going opposite side to opposite side. From here, we want to slide our W over to the other upper corner and diagonal isolation down to its opposite side. We then swing back to the start position and we can repeat. I find it easiest to break that down into 4 corner positions, and then as you get more comfortable and more experienced with this movement, you can try to smooth it out a little bit to get more of that S or figure 8 shape. I use this one a lot in my own flow. It's really fun to embellish on yourself. You can add in any type of body movement or footwork that you might like to add in, just to add emphasis onto it and create a really beautiful effect in your routine or flow. Thanks for watching, guys. It's been a tutorial on linear isolations.